Hello everyone, and in this video I'm going to show you how to invite friends on Revolut and earn money. First thing you should do is to simply open your Revolut application on your phone, and after that go to your home page, then click on the top left corner on your profile icon. Then you will have to choose invite friends from here. After that it will show you exactly how much money will you get for each friend you invite. And here down below you can see when will it end. It says that it ends in 8 days. This doesn't mean that you will not be able to invite friends after 8 days, but this means that everything will be reset in 8 days. What does it mean? Just let me explain. Now, when you invite any one of these friends right here, you can see below their names that they have in progress tag below their names. So when you scroll down, in order to get the money from each invite, your friends will have to complete these 4 tasks. They will have to sign up with your own link that you sent to them. Then they will have to add money to their account, order a physical card, and finally make 3 purchases of $5 minimum. But there is just a small note that some cash transactions like gambling, gift cards, or transfer don't count. So the friend that you gave him the link, he will have to do these 4 tasks before the date that is shown up right here. And if they don't do that, the invite process will be reset. So you will have to invite them again, and they will have to do the 4 tasks again just in order to get the money for each friend invite. And this number actually isn't constant, so it may decrease and it may decrease. And when you scroll down below, you will see exactly how much money you will get. So in this case, you will get about $80. But as I said, this number isn't constant. Now, when you tap on any one of your friends, you can see here the progress of the process of invitation. So as you can see here, this friend right here has signed up. He has added money and also ordered a physical card, but he didn't make 3 purchases of $5 minimum. So this means that I will not get my reward till he complete the 4 tasks. So that is it. You can click on invite link, give the link to any friend you want, and see if he will complete the task or not. After completing the task, you will get the reward, and he also may take a small reward like coupons or other things. And another invite, if you have in this section right here that it tells you that the invitation process will end in 1 day, just wait till the 1 day finish and try to send the invite after the reset so that you can have extra days in order to give your friend the chance to do all these things in longer duration, because it's very hard to do all these 4 tasks in 1 day. And that's it. I hope this video is useful to you all. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you in a new video.